Okay, we're at Wal Mart and 2012 HAIER window units. HAIER, piece of junk, overpriced. We are $135. I still wouldn't have one of these. Piece of junk.
How much are they? There's 107.
Lowe's is cheapest. Made in China. How sad. People get cheap junk. That's all that Walmart has. It's cheap junk. Cheap junk. 5,000 BTU. Mechanical, electronic. Yes, all they have is 5,000s. Does it have zoom? No, only have a picture. What BTU are you? What 5? 5,000. Junk. Alright, out. Then there's a couple more down here. I'm going to try not to get caught with a camera. Oh.